હેલો ફ્રેન્ડ્સ, વેલકમ ટુ એક્ઝામ ગુરુ. અગાઉ આપણે મોસ્ટ યુઝફુલ 100 ઇડિયમ્સનો ભાગ 1 જોયો હતો. તેમાં આપણે 1 થી 50 ઇડિયમ્સ, તેના અર્થ અને વાક્યમાં તેનો ઉપયોગ સાથે જોયા હતા. ભાગ 2માં આપણે સ્પર્ધાત્મક પરીક્ષાની દ્રષ્ટિએ મહત્વના એવા 51 થી 100 ઇડિયમ્સ, તેના અર્થ અને ઉદાહરણ સાથે જોઈશું. આ તમામ ઇડિયમ્સ તમે ડિસ્ક્રિપ્શનમાં આપેલ લિંક પરથી PDF ડાઉનલોડ કરી શકશો. તો શરૂ કરીએ મોસ્ટ IMP ઇડિયમ્સ ફોર કોમ્પિટિટિવ એક્ઝામિનેશન પાર્ટ 2. ઇડિયમ નંબર 51, બર્ન ધ મિડનાઇટ ઓઇલ, meaning to stay up working, especially studying late at night. ગુજરાતી અર્થ: મોડી રાત સુધી અભ્યાસ કરવો કે અભ્યાસ વિષયક પ્રવૃત્તિ કરવી. એક્ઝામ્પલ સેન્ટેન્સ: Suman is asleep after burning the midnight oil trying to finish her article. Idiom number 52, cry over spilled milk, meaning being upset over something that has already happened and cannot be changed. ગુજરાતી અર્થ: બની ગયેલી ઘટના પાછળ દુઃખી થવું. Example sentence: Neeta was unable to accept the reality of her divorce. She was crying over spilled milk. Idiom number 53, curiosity killed the cat, meaning being too curious can get you into trouble. ગુજરાતી અર્થ: અતિ ઉત્સુકતા મુશ્કેલીમાં મૂકે છે. Example sentence: I know curiosity killed the cat, but I can't stop the investigation until I know where the donations are really going. Idiom number 54, cut corners, meaning to take shortcuts when something is done badly to save money. ગુજરાતી અર્થ: કંઈ કરવા માટે ટૂંકો રસ્તો અપનાવવો, ખાસ કરીને પૈસાની બચત કરવા માટે. Example sentence: The government was criticized to cut the corner in construction of public building. Idiom number 55, cut the mustard, meaning perform satisfactorily to succeed. ગુજરાતી અર્થ: સંતોષકારક દેખાવ કરવો, સફળ થવું. Example sentence: My friend Jayesh has applied for the post of architect in a big project and he did cut the mustard. Idiom number 56, devil's advocate, meaning to present a counter argument. ગુજરાતી અર્થ: સતત દલીલબાજી કરવી. Example sentence: The plan is good, but I will play devil's advocate so that we know what the opposition can say. Idiom number 57, Elvis has left the building, meaning the show has come to an end. It is all over. ગુજરાતી અર્થ: કાર્યક્રમ પૂરો થવાના આરે હોવો કે કાર્યક્રમનો અંત હોવો. Example sentence: The event manager said, I'm sorry Mr. Hemraj, you are late. Elvis has left the building. Idiom number 58, far cry from, meaning a thing that is very different from something else. ગુજરાતી અર્થ: કોઈ વસ્તુની સાપેક્ષમાં તદ્દન ભિન્ન હોવું, અલગ હોવું. Example sentence: Living in the heart of New York City is certainly a far cry from living in the rural countryside. Idiom number 59, feel a bit under the weather, meaning feeling sick or unhealthy. ગુજરાતી અર્થ: બીમાર અથવા અસ્વસ્થ હોવાનું અનુભવવું. Example sentence: I am feeling a bit under the weather. I think I am getting a cold. Idiom number 60, give the benefit of doubt, meaning believe someone's statement without proof. ગુજરાતી અર્થ: કોઈની રજૂઆત પુરાવાઓ વગર માની લેવી. Example sentence: Mansi said She was late because her flight was cancelled, and we gave her the benefit of the doubt. Idiom number 61, to take to task, meaning to scold. गुजराती अर्थ ठपको आपो. Example sentence: Rahul was taken to task for the negligence in duty. Idiom number 62, to call for, meaning to require. गुजराती अर्थ जरूरी होવું, ધ્યાન આપવા લાયક. Example sentence: The situation calls for considerable tact. Idiom number 63, to cut down, meaning to decrease. गुजराती अर्थ ઘટાડવું. Example sentence: We must cut down our expenses. Idiom number 64, Hobson's choice, meaning a choice in which only one thing is offered, and for that two options are given: accept or leave the offer. ગુજરાતી અર્થ પસંદગી માટે કોઈ એક જ વિકલ્પ આપવો અને તેનો ફરજિયાતપણે સ્વીકાર કરવો પડે અથવા જતું કરવું પડે. એક્ઝામ્પલ સેન્ટેન્સ: It is Hobson's choice for Rahul. If he doesn't accept new policy of the company, he will have to resign from the job. Idiom number 65, to crave for, meaning to yearn for. गुजराती अर्थ ઝંખના કરવી. Example sentence: The old man in sorrow craves for sympathy. Idiom number 66, a storm in a teacup, meaning a lot of excitement, unnecessary anger, and worry about a matter that is not important. ગુજરાતી અર્થ મહત્વની ન હોય તેવી બાબતના લીધે અતિ ઉશ્કેરાઈ જવું કે બિનજરૂરી ગુસ્સે થવું અને ચિંતા કરવી. Example sentence: Sudha will not be angry for long. It is only a storm in teacup. Idiom number 67, to get rid of, meaning to get free from. ગુજરાતી અર્થ છુટકારો મેળવવો. Example sentence: The daughter-in-law wanted to get rid of the joint family. Idiom number 68, the pros and cons, meaning the various positive and negative aspects of something, or the advantage and disadvantage of something. ગુજરાતી અર્થ કોઈ પણ બાબતના હકારાત્મક અને નકારાત્મક પાસાઓ અથવા લાભ ગેરલાભ. Example sentence: Before signing this agreement, we will discuss the pros and cons. Idiom number 69, to bear in mind, meaning to remember. ગુજરાતી અર્થ યાદ રાખવું. Example sentence: Students should always bear in mind the advice of their teacher. Idiom number 70, hear through the grapevine, meaning to hear news from someone who heard that news from someone else. ગુજરાતી અર્થ હવામાં ઉડતા સમાચાર સાંભળવા. Example sentence: I hear through the grapevine that Hardik was looking for work. Idiom number 71, jump on the bandwagon, meaning join a popular trend or activity. ગુજરાતી અર્થ લોકપ્રિય પ્રવાહ અથવા પ્રવૃત્તિમાં જોડાવું. Example sentence: After a politician won election by promising to reduce the inflation, most of others jumped on the bandwagon. Idiom number 72, keep something at bay, meaning keep something away. ગુજરાતી અર્થ સમસ્યારૂપ બાબતને પોતાનાથી દૂર રાખવી. Example sentence: China was hit by a serious epidemic, but luckily Hemraj could keep himself at bay. Idiom number 73, last straw, meaning the final problem in a series of problems. ગુજરાતી અર્થ સતત આવતી સમસ્યાઓમાં છેલ્લી સમસ્યા હોવી. એક્ઝામ્પલ સેન્ટેન્સ: She was always been rude to me, but it was the last straw when she started insulting my family. Idiom number 74. Let sleeping dogs lie. Meaning, leave something alone if it might cause trouble. ગુજરાતી અર્થ દુઃખ કે મુશ્કેલી આપનાર બાબતને જતી કરવી, છોડી દેવી. એક્ઝામ્પલ સેન્ટેન્સ: I wanted to tell her what I thought, but then I decided to let sleeping dogs lie. Idiom number 75. Rain, cats and dogs. Meaning, a heavy rain. ગુજરાતી અર્થ મુશળધાર વરસાદ પડવો. એક્ઝામ્પલ સેન્ટેન્સ: It has been raining cats and dogs since yesterday. Idiom number 76. Harp on the same string. Meaning, to dwell tediously and repeatedly upon a single subject or topic. ગુજરાતી અર્થ એક જ વાતનું રટણ કર્યા કરવું, ગાણું ગાયા કરવું. એક્ઝામ્પલ સેન્ટેન્સ: I am tired of hearing him harp on the same string. Idiom number 77. Let the cat out of the bag. Meaning, to reveal a secret, to share information that was previously concealed. ગુજરાતી અર્થ પહેલાથી છુપાવેલું રહસ્ય છતું કરવું કે બહાર પાડવું. એક્ઝામ્પલ સેન્ટેન્સ: Our MD did not let the cat out of the bag about deal until all the relevant contracts were signed. Idiom number 78. In black and white. Meaning, in writing, especially an agreement, contract or other format document. ગુજરાતી અર્થ લેખિતમાં. Example sentence: This is good for both of us to have the deal in black and white. Idiom number 79. In full swing. Meaning, at a stage when the level of activity is at its highest. ગુજરાતી અર્થ પૂરજોશમાં. Example sentence: When we reached at Neelam Bagh, the party was in full swing. Idiom number 80. In good books. Meaning, regarded favorably by one, thought of kindly or approving by one. ગુજરાતી અર્થ કોઈની કૃપા દ્રષ્ટિમાં હોવું. Example sentence: If you want to be in teacher's good book, try to participate more in class. Idiom number 81. Leave no stone unturned. Meaning, do everything that is possible in order to achieve something. Make every possible effort. ગુજરાતી અર્થ બનતું બધું જ કરી છૂટવું, કોઈ પ્રયત્ન બાકી ન રાખવો. Example sentence: Rajan said he will leave no stone unturned in order to prove his brother's innocence. Idiom number 82. Live from hand to mouth. Meaning, to have just enough money to live on and nothing extra. ગુજરાતી અર્થ ગરીબીમાં જીવવું, માંડ માંડ ગુજરાન ચલાવવું. Example sentence: My father owned very little and there were 4 kids, so we lived from hand to mouth. Idiom number 83. Nip in the bud. Meaning, to stop or prevent something at the beginning or early phase before it becomes too difficult or unmanageable. ગુજરાતી અર્થ ઉગતું જ ડામી દેવું. Example sentence: Many serious illness can be nipped in the bud if they are detected early enough. Idiom number 84. Off the cuff. Meaning, without preparation, spontaneous. ગુજરાતી અર્થ કોઈ પણ તૈયારી વગર સ્વયંભૂ, સ્વયંસ્ફુરિત. Example sentence: A good politician is always able to speak off the cuff about government policy. Idiom number 85. on and off, meaning occasionally, erratically, now and again. गुजराती और थोड़ी थोड़ी बारे. Example sentence: I have had headache on and off since last night. Idiom number 86: see eye to eye with, meaning to agree fully with someone or to have the same views about something. गुजराती अर्थ सम्मत થવું. Example sentence: I am glad that we see eye to eye on this project. Idiom number 87: smell a rat, meaning suspect that something wrong is happening. Realize that something is not as supposed to be. गुजराती अर्थ शंका આવવી કે હોવી. Example sentence: when Praveen made that offer, I smelled a rat. It sounded too good to be true. Idiom number 88: the ins and outs, meaning the detailed or complicated facts of something. गुजराती अर्थ पूरेपूरी माहिती. Example sentence: Akhilesh knows the ins and outs of that matter. Idiom number 89: the order of the day, meaning something that is very common or important. गुजराती अर्थ रोजिंदी बात की स्थिति, सामान्य बाबत. Example sentence: hot strong tea is the order of the day here, but coffee is becoming more and more popular. Idiom number 90: through thick and thin, meaning to support someone through good and bad time, or to stay by someone's side over a long period of time, even when time is tough. ગુજરાતી અર્થ સારી કે ખરાબ પરિસ્થિતિમાં સાથ આપવો. Example: Rajan has supported me through thick and thin. Idiom number 91: tooth and nail, meaning to fight, battle or compete with great ferocity. गुजराती अर्थ पूरी ताकतથી સામનો કરવો. Example sentence: the residents of this society are fighting tooth and nail to stop the new development. Idiom number 92: once in a blue moon, meaning something that happens very rarely. ગુજરાતી અર્થ ભાગ્યે જ બનતું કે ભાગ્યે જ જોવા મળતું. Example sentence: I don't know why he brought so many books. He reads once in a blue moon. Idiom number 93: to turn over a new leaf, meaning to change the old habits or behavior in a positive way and adopt new ones. ગુજરાતી અર્થ જૂની આદતો કે વર્તનને બદલી હકારાત્મક આદત કે વર્તન અપનાવવું. Example sentence: after being released from jail, Ronak decided to turn over a new leaf. Idiom number 94: a bone of contention, meaning an unresolved problem, dispute or disagreement. ગુજરાતી અર્થ વણ ઉકેલાયેલો તકરારનો મુદ્દો. Example sentence: the property issue has now become a bone of contention between two brothers. Idiom number 95: a hard nut to crack, meaning a person, thing, situation or problem that is particularly difficult to understand, solve or deal with. ગુજરાતી અર્થ ખૂબ મુશ્કેલ બાબત. Example sentence: climbing Mount Everest is a hard nut to crack. Idiom number 96: to make up one's mind, meaning to make a final decision after a period of consideration. ગુજરાતી અર્થ લાંબી વિચારણાના અંતે નિર્ણય કરવો. Example: Rajesh made up his mind to pass UPSC examination. Idiom number 97: open the floodgates, meaning allow something to happen a lot or allow many people to do something that was not previously allowed. ગુજરાતી અર્થ કોઈ મોટી બાબત શક્ય બનાવવી અથવા પહેલા મનાઈ કરેલ બાબત કરવાની પરવાનગી આપવી. એક્ઝામ્પલ સેન્ટેન્સ: Government is worried that allowing refugees into the country will open the floodgates to thousands more. Idiom number 98, to pull down, meaning to deliberately destroy. ગુજરાતી અર્થ તોડી પાડવું કે નાશ કરવો. એક્ઝામ્પલ સેન્ટેન્સ: A big crowd attempted to pull down the statue of famous political leader. Idiom number 99, deal with, meaning to occupy oneself or itself, to handle verbally or in some form of artistic. ગુજરાતી અર્થ કોઈ વ્યક્તિની સાથે કામ પાડવું. એક્ઝામ્પલ સેન્ટેન્સ: It is very difficult to deal with a lazy man. Idiom number 100, to wrangle over an ass's shadow, meaning to quarrel over trivial and insignificant matters. ગુજરાતી અર્થ સાવ મામૂલી કે તુચ્છ બાબતમાં ઝઘડો કરવો. એક્ઝામ્પલ સેન્ટેન્સ: Only foolish people wrangle over an ass's shadow. મિત્રો, આ વિડીયો તમને પસંદ આવ્યો હોય તો તેને લાઈક કરો, તમારા મિત્રો સાથે શેર કરો અને એક્ઝામ ગુરુ ચેનલને સબસ્ક્રાઈબ કરો. જોવા બદલ આભાર.